everyone, welcome back to my mukbang. Today I'm back with some sushi or maki rolls and some udon. So these are all homemade, and before I kind of talk more about it, I'm going to put in my udon. So this is the soup base. Yum. Today I'm gonna make two. So excited. Then we're going to add the noodles. One. So I'm going to add one egg in here. Just one egg. I usually like to somewhat poach it instead of cooking it all the way. So I'm gonna leave it in like that. Okay. And then I love my udon or udon spicy, so I'm going to add some shichimi. It's not open. Oh, I didn't use this yet. It's been a while since I got this thing, but shichimi. I'm going to put some shichimi on my spicy tuna too. These are kind of not spicy, but kind of expensive, so maybe that's why they come in such a small bottle. But if you guys are interested, it looks like this. So anyways, let's talk about the rolls. So this is same ingredient, basically just different method of how I roll these maki or sushi rolls. The toppings are if you guys watched the beginning of my video, the toppings are spicy tuna, and inside it's shrimp tempura and avocado. I thought about adding cucumber, but that's what I forgot. I bought jalapenos and forgot to put it in here, but add jalapenos if you guys love spicy food. But yeah, this one the rice is out and this one rice is in. I wasn't planning to make it like this. Initially I wanted to have both of them have rice out, but I mean it looks good this way too, I think. So I think it's okay. My noodles are almost done. Oh my gosh. Udon's so good. I never tried this brand before, but Tong had it the other night because he was hungry late at night, but I'm like, no, I can't eat this late. So I didn't take a bite and I didn't try it, but he told me that it's a really good udon. So okay, but this is my first time trying it and it's good. Okay, I'm going to let it boil a little longer. And I have some ginger, pickled ginger on the side. I'll just put it right here so you guys can see well. Okay, so let's take a bite. I completely forgot to mention that I added a fire noodle sauce into the spicy tuna, and I could definitely taste it. I could definitely taste the flavor. It's not the best thing to add, I don't think. But if you want to add it so that it could be more spicy, I would recommend jalapeno or something else. But I'm not really a huge fan of the flavor or like even like that scent of fire noodle in this spicy tuna. It's not bad. It's good. I mean, spicy tuna and shrimp tempura and rice. It's really, really good. But I don't know. It's like not. I wouldn't mind not adding it. You know why it's good? It's because the tuna is in chunks, not like grinded. Because some restaurants do that. Let's have some udon. Yes. Okay, let's try this one. I did really good job. Like, it looks like restaurant, like maki level. No, don't you think? I think so. It looks really good. I mean, literally same ingredient, but because I made it differently, I think it's a different experience. That tiger shrimp, it's so like well textured. I don't know how to explain it, but it's chunky enough for you to taste it. It's good. Wow, this is a big piece. I feel like there are different. Okay, I know that like sushi, like omakase, that's like where the chef makes you a sushi nigiri piece like individually and give it to you right in front of you. I mean, besides that, I think all the, at least in Chicagoland, Illinois area, the sushi is either, I think it's either average or it's bad. It's just like rolls. I mean, like nigiri and sushi is a different thing, but I heard that in Chicagoland area, majority of the sushi places get their fish from a same place. It's just the matter of what kind of fish they get, how they prepare it. Like sushi rolls, I mean, it's delicious. I love sushi rolls, but I don't want to pay like $20 for one roll. It's because they put so much sauce on it and you can't even taste like half the fish in there. I mean, like I know that some rolls go up to like $20 to $25 because they put like king crab and like they put like eel and all that, but in the end you only taste the sauce and everything kind of tastes like they kind of like blend them all together, so you end up not tasting each ingredient. So I'd rather order like a nigiri, like small pieces. That's why like whenever I eat out at a sushi restaurant, obviously I get all the sashimi and nigiri, but rolls I stick to simple rolls like spicy tuna or like even like tuna and avocado roll or salmon or avocado roll, because I rather taste that fish, like like the fish flavor than a spicy mayo or like soy sauce or whatever. But now that I can make this at home, the tuna chunk that I bought was like $10, $12, I don't remember. But I made 2 big rolls and I actually have like half of the tuna left to use. I mean, look at that tiger shrimp. It's huge. If I have to buy, I think I will buy this one. I'm so stuffed. I have no idea why I made 2. I'll just eat the tuna. No, it kind of like that. I'm going to save these guys. I'm so stuffed. Sorry I couldn't finish, but I'm so stuffed and I cannot push any more food. Like I can't even drink anything right now. Wow, I'm so full. What was I thinking? It's like so much carbs. And anyways, it was one of the best meal that I had this week. Well, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys were able to get something out of this video from the recipe. And yeah, I mean pretty much it. And besides that, I was really eating. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.